If you're in business and you send emails either to customers or prospects, I'm going to show you how you can make far more money and grow your business faster with one small change. Because over the past 2 years, email open rates dropped, click-through rates dropped, and email conversion dropped. And those are not marketing metrics. Those are your prospects and your customers voting with their actions and telling you that they don't like emails. The truth is, most companies think they're smart by automating communication using emails, but emails are literally killing your relationship with your prospects and customers. And your relationship with your prospects and customers is the best indicator of the stability of your business and the predictability of future revenue. Now, over the past few years, we've stopped almost all of our automated emails, mostly because they sucked. And yes, the very first email after a sale is automated still, and it always has the highest open rate, but that doesn't mean that it's doing a great job. So if somebody buys something from you at your website and you automatically email them a receipt, that email is going to have a high open rate, but it's all downhill from there. Your main job after a sale is to create a relationship. You need to make your buyer feel like they just made a great decision and that their life is going to be far better because they just bought from you, and you cannot do that using email. So yes, send them a post-purchase email and maybe even an onboarding sequence, but also get up in their grill and make them feel the personal touch. We do that by calling people immediately in most instances, right? Now, if we can't call them immediately, then maybe we invite them to a live webinar that's hosted within a week of their purchase. Let people see you. Let them hear from you. Let them ask you questions. Make them feel heard and safe. Because when you stop automating communications with people who are sending you money and you start actually connecting with them, you'll be amazed at how much more they buy from you, how much more they stick, and how much more they'll refer other people to you. This could be your biggest year in business. But to do that, you need to constantly look for better ways to connect with your people.